Hi there and welcome to an hour of Miele here on QVC. Russell is my special guest. Great to have you here.
Thank you very much.
A brand that I know you're really proud to represent.
Absolutely, I am.
And what a heritage. 1899 is when it began.
1899, developed one of the first washing machines, developed one of the first bagless vacuum cleaners.
Yeah.
All this technology that they've done. And they bring it now into a vacuum cleaner that's been so well tuned over the years. It is the best that you can get for your money. It really is.
OK, well, let's move on to this here. Quite a machine with some real added features that I think you're going to love and turn to time and time again. Easy payments, maximum easy payments on this. So that first payment of $74.97, and the Autocare, clever this, upright vacuum cleaner with auto floor adjust technology is with you in a matter of days. So a good saving there of the QVC price with $299.88, and there's 4 interest-free easy payments. Very stylish, attractive looking design, which you don't often think about with a vacuum cleaner, do you?
Well, a lot of people don't. But this is the thing, it's functionality and design. This is what these chaps do very, very well indeed. Now, how this differs, obviously, firstly, if you look at it, it's a lovely burgundy colour. I love it. If you look at the front, you've got some lights here. Now, a lot of people, when I was younger, I used to see the lights on the vacuum cleaner, and it confused me to what they were there. But if you can imagine, and what we'll see if we can do later, if you're vacuuming under a chaise longue, under a bed, you can't see what you're vacuuming, but with this you can, and it's very bright, and you can actually see where you've got to go, which I absolutely love.
And also see what to avoid in case there's some loose change, which is there, or maybe a little car or toy from the kids. You think, oh, hang on a minute, the lights pick that up, I'll move away and remove it first.
Absolutely right, absolutely right. Now, also what I like about this is you've actually got 2 functions. You've got the automatic function, so the machine can actually change itself to the level of the carpet it's going to go onto, but also you can do it manually. So in exactly the same way, and I'll turn the machine on so I can show you. We can go from hard floor, rug, silent setting, once again, best setting for economy and also for the ease of use on the ear. Rug, as in very light rug, upholstery, curtains, OK? And then you can go on to automatic if you want to, and it'll do it all for you.
Very clever.
Absolutely.
OK, and the lights have illuminated. They're shining away.
Can we do something? Can we turn the studio lights down?
We're going to try and reach that dimmer switch. We're going to turn it anti-clockwise, and down those lights come.
Now look at this. Now, if we can get close, and what we can see is, imagine this is under your furniture. And instead of just guessing where the dirt is, we can now just go straight through it using the LED lights on this machine. And it's really, once again, it's flat to floor, so it will go under furniture. So these lights, these LED lights, are really valuable to what you're cleaning, because you can actually see where you're going.
And it's lying really low, that vacuum cleaner.
Yeah. And a lot of people don't think that when they buy a vacuum cleaner. I mean, some people think how, you know, I know people move furniture, but you don't need to.
Yeah.
All you need to do is have a vacuum cleaner, like the Miele, that will go flat to floor.
And with that swivel neck, it's really easy to turn and navigate this.
So you can go all around.
It's a steering-like mechanism, as you can see.
And in the same way, if I wanted to, if I'm going on to, let's say, a lighter floor, and I didn't want the brushes, all I need to do, I'll turn it on, that's vacuum, and that's also the brush head. So 2 motors again. So you've got 2 motor function. The one thing we didn't mention before, on this particular machine, as of the others, on the front, you've actually got the filter casing, which sits in here. You can buy other filters, so you can have a HEPA filter if you want to, you can put it in later on. Also, if you've got pets, you can have a filter that puts like a charcoal inside the filter that will actually take the smell away. Because once a vacuum cleaner's got a smell of a cat or a dog in it, it's very difficult to get rid of it. With this, obviously, it filters it.
Very clever.
Yeah, very clever, very clever.
We've got the onboard hose as well, and some of those tools, they're located on board also. Absolutely. We'll show you in a few moments. All on the back, and in exactly the same way, it folds down so the machine won't fall to the floor when you're vacuuming the stairs. Telescopic vacuum tube. And one thing we haven't done, which is fantastic on Miele machines, you can step on them, as in the hoses. You can put a knot in them. You can try and destroy them as much as you like. They're robust.
They will just go back to their original setting. How many times have you trodden on a vacuum hose and it just loses its...
Yeah,
and then it just sucks itself together?
There's a kink, and then it snags, it twists, it turns, and then it can lose its suction if you're not careful. With this, that is what the Miele team do, the engineers do. They look at every eventuality and try and cover all of those bases. Picked up something rather chunky there, didn't it?
I think it was a stone.
Okay.
But again, it shows you it picks it up, so no problem at all. It may rattle a bit because the brush is taking it up, but it will pick it up and it will go straight in that bag. And once again, when you come to empty that bag, it's very simple. As soon as you open that canister, it's self-sealing, just goes straight in the bin.
Okay, we've got those maximum easy payments for you on this as well, $74.97. And remember, because of its weight, it is 9.5 kilos. If you change your mind, it isn't a problem. Try this. Have it delivered to your door within a matter of days. If you change your mind, because of the weight, we will collect this. And the handle on the back, that's the best way to manage the weight when carrying this around.
If you're going up the stairs, that's all you need to do. You carry it by this.
Yes.
And it's balanced perfectly. You know, it's so easy to manoeuvre it around. It's not that you should dance with your vacuum like I'm currently doing, but it really is good. You know, and if, let's say, the other thing I like, if you've got a step to go over, all you need to do is to go onto that again, lift the head, drop onto the step, and off you go. No more of this wrestling or lifting the vacuum up. It's designed to do it for you.
But these are the issues that frustrate us, but these are the issues that Miele have looked at and have tried to address, and very often have addressed over the years.
Absolutely.
It's a brilliant, brilliant machine. And we can hear ourselves talk.
Yeah. And as I say, that's actually at the moment on full setting. Now, the thing as well I like, if the actual filter gets full, this little light will come on here, and then you can reset it as well. So once you clean the filter, you reset it and off you go again. So it'll tell you when the bag needs emptying. It'll tell you when the filter needs cleaning. It's so easy to use. So
the hard floors, a bit of carpeted floor we've dealt with. However, can I draw your attention to this mess?
That's
over
unfortunately, James from Miele, he's a bit of a problem lad, to be honest, I have to say. He's created this. Look at that! Look at that!
It's agitating the carpet. Look at that.
Look at that. Isn't that? Look, it's amazing. Me and I've been using it for 2. Look, it's beating the carpet so much that it's vibrating the dirt. And as I say, because the exhaust of the motor's on the top, it's not being blown away before you actually get to it.
Now, that's a good demonstration, isn't it?
Look at that! Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Every time I use this machine or any Miele product, I get more impressed every single time.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, not only, we haven't even touched on this, so they sort of sell fantastic vacuum cleaners, but they do a lot of machines in the industry. They do like large commercial washing machines. They do some large commercial ovens, you know. And again, using the same kind of technology.
And the machine that made this machine is a Miele machine as well.
Absolutely right, yeah.
That is German engineering, and these have been produced, designed, built in Germany for you. Yeah, it's a popular Miele hour here on QVC. Is that vacuum cleaner of yours at home right now a little worse to wear? It's not performing quite like it used to. Well, Miele, they design their vacuums to last for years and years and years. It's done a cracking job there, isn't it?
I've just noticed, actually, Charlie, there's something I've got to do.
All right. Whilst you get that ready, can I just read out some of the reviews? Oh, thank you.
Yeah, you carry on.
All right. Those reviews. I've got to go and read this review. Forgive me, Russell.
Finished.
I know you haven't. I'm back in a moment. I'd been looking for a good vacuum cleaner for some time, so I decided that it had all the features I was looking for. I can vacuum my carpets, dust lampshades and furniture, as well as clean my Venetian blinds. I can do a lot of work in one area with ease. It has great suction power, and carpets I had thought on replacing now look like new. A truly wonderful purchase. That's one of our reviews on this incredible machine. Now, love this machine. It glides over carpet, and I have no hesitation in taking it over my laminate floor. The wand extends long enough to vacuum up the stairwell, and the brush attachment is great for chandeliers. Love the fact you can adjust the suction strength A really easy machine to use with lots of power. Lots of power, Russell.
Oh, yeah.
But lots of control.
Absolutely. The controller's at your fingertips. The machine can do it for you if you want to.
Yes.
But if you want to sort of, you know, do something a little bit more delicate, like your trousers, for example,
Yes.
you could do that. I wouldn't put it on full power with your trousers.
No, I might disappear altogether.
Yeah, possibly.
Can we demonstrate the hose quickly?
Yeah, absolutely. The head, when you push the machine up, the power head automatically cuts off on that motor. And simply ergonomic design head, telescopic tube. Whoops, daisy. What I'm going to do is lock it into the down position. And as we're moving it, let's just turn it back on again.
So this concertina effect unravels the hose, doesn't it?
And in other machines, when you do this, the machine will go flat to the floor.
Yeah.
With this, all you're going to do is just drag the machine over easily.
It's a great feature. It is a great feature. And this hose, it is tough, it is robust, it is designed to last and last and last.
So you look at that, and then all we need to do, you can see it, gathered itself up.
It's self-joining, isn't
Yeah,
it?
it's absolutely fantastic. And German engineering, and it's very much, even the wear parts, where, for example, the use of the machine is at its most, they're protected.
Yeah.
And I love this ergonomic design. Not many companies actually do that. It'll be
They've
just like
thought of everything. They
have.
really, really have. £299.88, those maximum easy payments on this of £74.97. It's a workhorse, it is a performer, it is about longevity and superior German engineering for you as well. It has been a very busy show. If you missed any of the hour, you can watch it back. If you're watching on Sky, press the red button and follow the on-screen comments and replay the last hour, or our website is there, QVCUK.com. Missed a bit, just there.
Oh, yeah.
There we go.
Thanks,
That's more like it. OK, we are going to remind you what we have seen over the last hour. We've had 2 cylinders, and so we've had 1 cylinder and the 2 uprights for you. OK, speaking of cylinders, let's remind you of this one here that we started the show with, our Miele Hot Pick. Nothing but 5-star reviews on our website. 199.92 is the price. Easy payments of 66.64. 6 variable power settings. It weighs 7.9 kilos. It comes with 5 bags. We estimate that's around a year's supply. You've got that quiet, silent mode as well. And over 70 orders placed on this in this show alone. 800691 is right to remember. And remember that comes with the mini turbo brush, ideal for where pet hair gets into the part of the carpet and the rugs and such like. It's going to work that pile hard to get that hair away, as you can see there beautifully. Incredible value for money. Introductory price, 5-star rated, nothing but 5-star reviews on our website. Easy payments at 66.64. Cracking. And then the S7 upright. We have 5 in stock, and that's it. The Miele S7 upright vacuum with 8 high clean filter bags. 833121 is your item number there. It is looking really vulnerable now. Limited stock. £78.80 the price on that first easy payment, with an introductory price of 23640. 833121 is your item number there. And an amazing 6-litre capacity, by the way. And of course the hose on board and those accessories included as well. And we've just been talking about, of course, this here, the Miele Autocare. Very clever technology on board. Here we have those maximum easy payments of £74.97 on this. I remember with any one of the machines we've seen in the show, because of their weights, if you change your mind in your 30-day money-back guarantee, give us a call and we will come and collect it from you and you get that full money refund. But I do urge you to try this incredible technology. It's German engineering from Miele. And Russell, thank you so much.
Come on.
It's been a pleasure. Oh, tug of war.
Come on, tug of war.
That's how tough the hose is.
Look at that.
Kim & Co next.